Hi guys, Dorota Nail, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I'm in with Catherine, and today we are gonna do a super quick video actually, because that's all what we've got the time for. It's a super fast set of the nails. So we are just cooking, and the colors we will be using, excuse the gloves guys, I have been using them for Catherine obviously only. They actually stain quite bad, and it just shows you. But anyway, we've got some start of those nails, and the color we have used is a 200, which is a Sugar Rush, and also some 242 Purple Rain, and then 173, which is Tic Tac White. Now, this is her half natural nails. Like, we have done quick rebalance. There is lots of videos on like how to do the rebalance, and you can check them out. So today I wanted to show you really just a design, and like, as I say, it's a really super fast design. So I'm gonna push back her cuticles even more, because then they nicely kind of pull back to later on, and that just gives you a really nice results when it comes to painting. And I'm slapping the white one on. I thought I will show you because those flowers like look quite effective, but they are done with the matter of seconds. Like, really. Then the Sugar Rush on this nail, and I actually love this color. It's really pretty. So just paint that in. Cook it. Then on this hand I decided to swap the colors, so we are gonna go white in here, and then just plain in there. I think it looks actually quite nice as well. And if this is one of the first video guys you are watching with me, you have to go and check how I'm doing a rebalance or a full sculpted set, and then you would just slap this nail art on. That doesn't sound like that doesn't sound a good advertising. Yeah, they are kind of lifestyle videos, like a real life of the nail tech. So you'll see some troubles happening sometimes, you know, sometimes some lifting, because it does happen to me as well, and I will kind of show you like how to, you know, correct those mistakes, how to prevent some things. Like, I'm trying to show more of those real kind of things rather than like perfectly done nails like with no trouble at all, because such a thing like that doesn't exist in a salon. Change. There is always some trouble, isn't it? Either a client hit it somewhere, or like or the product wouldn't cook properly because the hand wasn't in. Like there is so many disasters guys which can happen. So yeah, if they do happen during the video, I'm just carry on, and I'm not trying to hide it from you. So that's the white N. This one actually looks pretty good in a one coat. I'm well impressed, but I'm just perfecting the second one. Change. Okay, second coat in there. Oh, the sun is just following me so badly. It's on my hand, reflecting everywhere now. Okay, we've got the white one in, and the Sugar Rush. Change. So they are kind of like those 1 hour style nails. We are gonna use the one stroke brush level 1. It has the slightly bigger size, and I'm picking up Sugar Rush and then the purple one. Go and touch it like this, so you've got two colors in there, and then we are just slapping it. Since this flower is here, the other one I want to kind of maybe swap them, so let's place this flower there, like make it almost full. So what I'm doing is going to the top and then coming back, and we've got the first petal. Second one, I don't have to even come back because it looks perfect. Third one, fourth one, pick up more gel polish. So for like a very precise flowers, I wouldn't be using a gel polish because I feels like with the acrylic paints you can get the nicest results. But for those kind of look, where I would say is a pretty fast looking flowers, this is a fantastic technique and we can use just a gel polish. Okay, then another scoop. And we are gonna paint just a wee tiny bits of those flowers. So one in here, one in there, one in there. This one actually turned it out perfect. Change. Okay, same in here. So I want the flower to go there. See, Catherine is awesome. One. Oh, this one is amazing. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a tiny bit which is just on the end, and this way we have created another flower. Change. Quick color in the middle with this darker purple. Same on this one. Straight away I'm gonna put the top coat in here. Change. So I'm moving the client hand to see how the light is reflected. Like I'm actually quite struggling today because we've got the sunlight really strongly kind of reflecting on the things. But checking like how the top coat reflects is a really good idea, like to improve any imperfections with the top coat and things like that, especially that this is not a new set of the nails, and when we've got a nicely fresh like done nails, things are very easy. Things becomes much harder always when we kind of carry out the rebalance, because there is always the effect of the natural nail shape on the nails as well. Change. Thank you. Self-service. Oh. Okay, so I'm using the white. And now we are going to do some tiny wee dots. It reminds me of those kind of dresses. You could get the dress like this. Now you have to get the dress to match, huh? Yeah. So hopefully the weather will be nice. So I'm doing a microscopic dots. I'm not sure if you can even see it in a camera. I can hardly see them. And then slightly bigger ones in there. Change. I love those kind of super fast nail arts as well, like especially when they turn out really nice and pretty. I've got a wee dent in there. I'm gonna fix it with the top coat again. Like I like to perfect the things as we go. I could actually even do it with the small brush and just apply a tiny bit of white. Change. Apply the top coat. And then those super fast, oh, that's just so nice. The sun doesn't hit me anymore on the back. Those super nice set of the nails will be basically finished. I use for the summertime the Block the UV top coat. I find it is better, like it helps to prevent any kind of stains. I've got some touch in there. Any kind of stains and the troubles which might happen on the white nails, like a fake tan and other things like. So this top coat will be my better choice change. And then a top coat on this one. Nice and close. Fix that place in here because I wasn't happy with it. So I'm just applying a drop more of the top coat in there to smooth the things out. And they actually look awesome, change. Yeah. So yeah, I need to cook them, clean them, and I show you the final results. Okay, I take the top hand. So I've got some baby wipe and I need to clean the things because they always look nasty and messy. So I'm just cleaning the things nice. Remember, try to don't touch the top coat. So as you can see it, I'm kind of working more on the nail folds and try to don't work as much on the actual nail because top coat takes some time to cool down. So just let it set a little bit before we put any cuticle oil. I take the other hand. They actually look cool together. Now, Catherine is a client which has also a size difference in the hands, so they are a little bit different in a size, but I'm trying to kind of always do everything so we can take a nice picture and make my client nice and pleased. I should slap the cuticle oil, but look at the combination of the colors. Like, I like it when they are swapped together. That's just kind of give you another idea. I have to pick up that phone, so I'm sending you huge glittery hugs and bye for now.